A chance money back.
Oh my God. No.
Officers respond to the lobby of a police department after labeling a citizen as disorderly. From the start, there's a clear disagreement over why she's there and whether her complaints are being properly accepted.
The policy is take my complaints. That's not true.
We took your
There
complaints.
is no complaints.
We took
There
your
is
complaints.
absolutely no complaint that
You're
you
not
have
going to
taken.
keep taking the same complaint over and over again, and I explained that to you. The fact that you don't like, don't get in his face.
Don't get in his face.
The fact that you don't like that.
You can touch my things and I can't get in your personal space. You can touch my things and I can make it in your personal space. Now you're touching me. Yeah,
Let's step outside.
The woman insists she's following policy by filing formal complaints. Officers counter that her concerns have already been addressed and say they won't continue taking what they view as repeat complaints. Officers instruct her to step outside, saying she's getting too close. She immediately disputes this, claiming she was touched first and that she hasn't acted aggressively toward anyone.
Nope, you just touched him.
I did not. He touched me. He
You wanna
touched
go?
me. He touched me. 3 complaints that I have today is about officer coming down here on the 17th and pretending to take 2 citizen complaint affidavits. I have not at any moment before this, at no moment before this, have I put in a complaint about that. So that is not a repeat. And rather than taking, which this policy says you must do, you invalidated it and pretended the material I was showing you didn't exist.
They have given you what you requested.
Yes, boy, thank you very much. There's no reason I have to leave here. I can get out my book and sit here and read as much as I like.
You can sit here and read all day, but you can't stand here and scream and yell when there are people in here.
You can't come down here. I refuse to take my citizen complaint affidavit. There is no margin for you to refuse.
She explains that her complaints involve a prior incident where officers allegedly pretended to accept affidavits without properly processing or signing them, something she says has never been addressed before. As the discussion continues, the woman argues that officers are allowed to touch her belongings while she's told to keep her distance. She sees this as unequal treatment and becomes increasingly frustrated.
It does not say there anywhere.
Leave, please.
You're
You need to leave.
No, I'm not leaving. I have more of these to fill out.
No, we're not
I have
taking.
2 more.
No,
I have a
you're not
complaint.
taking the
I
complaints
have a
from you.
complaint about Gregory lying to me on the phone yesterday.
we're not-
That's getting filled out right now.
We're not
Yes,
taking
it
this.
is.
No.
Yes, it is. I have that one and yet another one at file. I planned on taking them and having you come to my house, as your policy says that you will do. And nobody told me when I called here on the 5th asking
I
how
asked
you
you
doing.
nicely
You
to leave the lobby.
It doesn't know. As we established, you have no right to make me leave the lobby.
You need to.
You have no right to make me leave the lobby.
The fact. Okay.
You have no right to make me leave here. You had no right to touch me, which you did.
I did
You
not
had
touch
no
you.
right. Yes, you did.
You
You
came-
touched me.
you came at me.
You touched me.
I never
You
moved.
had no right to pick my things up and carry them out there. You have no right to touch my things.
I'm going to ask
You have no right to touch my things. Literally lying. These aren't repeats.
Okay.
I have never complained about that pretending. They pretended to take 2 citizen complaint affidavits. They put the numbers on the pages. They went back there and made a copy for me. 2 copies, because they were 2 separate complaints. Numbered the pages for each of them, and then didn't sign them.
Officers acknowledge she can remain in the lobby if she's quiet, but tell her she can't stand and raise her voice. She responds that she intends to sit and continue filling out paperwork. Despite that, officers tell her to leave. She refuses, stating repeatedly that the lobby is a public space and that she has a legal right to remain there.
You're not here for her, are you?
Yeah, they called for 94.
All right, stand there with me.
Well, I've got a camera. We're good. As I say, I'm recording now too.
So,
What's going on with your internal affairs department?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm not,
okay.
You know that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm not high enough rank for that.
Yeah. Oh, so you're gonna ask them and then just, you're yelling, so, don't speak to the person doing the yelling.
John, you can go.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'll be here for a second.
Appreciate you.
Additional officers become involved as tensions rise. Both sides begin recording, signaling that everyone expects this interaction may later be reviewed.
Good, there you.
Look.
They sure got you screwed up outside, don't they?
Under repair. Yep. Stand up. Stand up. Please stand up. That's nice. A chance money back.
Oh my God. No,
No,
this
don't
is
do
not
that.
okay. This is not okay. okay.
Officers suddenly instruct her to stand up. She reacts with shock and distress, repeatedly saying this isn't okay and asking why the situation is escalating.
Please, somebody do something about this. This is not okay.
Don't.
Crosby, please.
Stop.
This is not okay.
Stop.
This is not okay.
Stop.
This is not okay. 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 Please, I am under arrest for no reason.
Stop.
I am under arrest for no reason. I cannot believe this.
Don't kick.
This
You're
is
going to
not
catch a charge.
okay. Why are you arresting me? I have every right to sit in this lobby and fill out a citizen complaint affidavit quietly, which is what I was doing. Oh my God! You are hurting me! You are hurting me! You are not! You are breaking my rights! You are absolutely violating my rights! You are violating my rights! I was seated quietly filling out a complaint, and you all did this to me. I do not believe that.
The point with these poor choices right now. We have a female.
Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested?
She is placed under arrest. The woman repeatedly asks what law she broke, insisting she was seated quietly and exercising her right to file a complaint.
What was I doing? Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? We established that I am allowed to sit there quietly and fill out a form. We established that. Why are you arresting me?
I got a little bit.
Why are you arresting me?
Get him.
What right do you have to arrest me? What right do you have to arrest me? What right do you have to arrest me?
You
are hurting me.
You are resisting. If you stop resisting,
That is not true. You have no right to be arresting me. I was sitting in a lobby filling out. You have no right to be arresting me. You have no right to be arresting me.
Do y'all need a female?
Take all of that,
You are hurting me on purpose. I am not doing anything to provoke anyone. I am not resisting arrest. Why are you doing this to me?
All right, ma'am, you got anything on you that's going to
No, I don't have anything on me.
As officers restrain her, she says she's being hurt and denies resisting. Officers claim she is resisting while she maintains her movements are due to pain and fear.
There is no reason to be arresting me. I was sitting quietly in a lobby filling out a form. It is my right to fill out. And these officers came up and arrested me. Told me to stand.
What do you need?
And I have every right to be sitting there.
Get in there. She just.
You were sitting there. What law was I breaking when I was sitting there?
stop.
No! What law I was breaking?
Hey, quit kicking!
Answer me what law I was breaking. I need some juice
Trying to keep
because my feet are burning,
Okay.
which is the reason I was doing this.
Quickly.
So that's not kicking anyone. That's because my feet are hot. So there you
you
go.
had a chance to sit in the car. You had a chance to sit in the car.
Stand on my foot. There you go.
Well, you were standing on my foot, and I didn't say it.
I have every right to do so. You told me to leave, officer, unsupervisor. You don't have a right to tell me to leave. You can't tell me to leave.
The incident ends with officers stating she bumped into an officer, a claim she disputes. What began as a visit to file paperwork ends with an arrest inside the police department lobby. Officers are called to Orlando International Airport after receiving reports of a battery in progress. When they arrive, they're met with a chaotic scene involving multiple adults, children, and conflicting explanations about what just happened.
Stop. Over there. Relax. 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 192, 83, 86, and 97.
Tell me when you came angry at each other and what led to you guys pushing on each other.
We was riding the car and something happened. We was driving the car, the rental, because you got to get in the rental and then come back. So the rental was returned already. And I was in there, I was returning the rental. And then I didn't see it, but her son, it was an altercation with her son and her. And that's her son. Her son was like, why would you do her like that? He was just screaming and hollering like, why would you do her like that? You snatched her hair. Mad, I'm returning the car, so I was turned. I didn't see her snatch her hair. I cannot contest to that. And he was yelling at her, and I'm like, what just happened? And she snapped out on me.
Y'all went inside the car.
And Carter ran. Y'all can see all this on video. because the man told them to be quiet, so she...
Officers begin by separating everyone and repeatedly asking those involved to calm down. Almost immediately, it's clear that this incident didn't start at the airport. It's the continuation of an argument that's been building for quite some time. One woman explains that the conflict began earlier at a rental car return. According to her, an argument broke out involving another woman and a child, which quickly escalated emotionally before turning physical.
She told the man, one of the receptionist people, like, so she was real aggressive towards them. So I'm like, okay, like, what's going on? Because I'm returning the car, so I don't know what's going on. So as I come near, she attacks me.
Where was this at?
Inside the Ace, you can see all this on camera.
This is the part I'm trying to build.
I just don't want to be incriminating myself even talking to you because I try to lead.
It's not incriminating. We just want to get the whole picture of the story.
I'm trying to get y'all the story.
Okay.
She's schizophrenic, bipolar.
Okay.
She was rowdy at the people, which y'all can contest to all the records. Y'all can see I even left. I was walking off and she still was coming in. The whole time. The workers, I guarantee if you talking to them, they said they on my side. I was never.
Let me ask you this because this is where I'm having difficulty.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out locations is all.
The location was from
You got delivered here. So you guys, you're arguing, were you ever arguing inside this vehicle?
She says she didn't witness the very beginning of the confrontation, but became involved when voices were raised and airport staff were drawn in. She claims the other woman appeared aggressive toward both family members and employees.
It started from the rental
place. Okay.
And it just escalated.
So you're at the rental place, you guys are arguing with each other, it gets inside the vehicle, you're driving here.
But mind you, I'm like thinking like, you know, she's schizophrenic, like whatever. A lot of say you let it like go over your head until she attack you. She can swing and hit you. She'll say a lot of ruthless to you. Like, and y'all can contest to that. Y'all, Lord is my witness. I don't have to say much. I'm not trying to defend anything other than I got loose.
So let me.
The door opens here.
The door opens. I leave. I get my child. She's running.
Officers press for specifics, trying to map out where the argument occurred and when physical contact allegedly happened. They ask whether the conflict remained verbal inside the vehicle or if it escalated later on airport transportation.
I'm trying to attack her. Let's go. Let's go.
The child or her?
Oh. I don't know where she at. This is my oldest, and me and my baby got our luggage, and we're leaving. Because I'm like, whatever. Her son is holding her like a bear, so she won't attack me again. Because at this point, she has my hair and everything, and I'm like, you know what?
She has
hair.
She has your hair on the bus or off the bus?
On the bus.
On the bus. And the whole reason for her pulling your hair on the bus.
Because, like, I'm like, why would you talk to my child like that? So now we're arguing. Again, we're arguing. Because I'm like, why would you say that to that's her child. I would never disrespect your child like that. Why would you do my baby like that?
As the explanation continues, the woman says she attempted to remove herself from the situation with her children. She claims that despite trying to leave, the confrontation followed her and eventually became physical. Attention shifts toward the children involved. Officers kneel down, speak calmly, and check for injuries, clearly prioritizing their safety while trying to reduce the emotional intensity of the scene.
So you guys got in a little bit of an argument.
She slapped her child.
She did what, baby?
She slapped her child.
She slapped her child?
Yeah.
She didn't slap you?
Did I smack you?
No, the other child.
I know, she smacked her and she beat her.
She hit her?
Yeah, no, she beat her own child.
Now I got it.
That's why we got the fight.
I just want to make sure that she's okay.
Because she crying, and then her mama got mad because she was crying.
Okay, well, we'll deal with that. But I just want to make sure you're okay, baby. Okay, you're okay?
And mommy,
you all right?
I jumped up
when you were
for
jumping, I didn't know where to go.
Yes, I jumped up and I said no.
Well, we can't understand you when you're all hyped.
And she hit me. Do I gotta?
Let me look.
Do I got?
Close your eyes for me. So
A listen.
Let me see. Hold on. Close your eyes so I don't block you. How'd she hit you?
Do it look bad?
No, it don't look bad at all.
Okay, because she ain't hit hard.
One child is briefly examined. Officers ask simple questions to understand what the child experienced, confirming that while emotions are high, visible injuries appear limited or unclear.
Okay, so what she did, just smack you?
No, like she came trying to punch.
Okay, did she touch you? She hit you?
No.
Okay, did you see Mama? Here's your daughter, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name, sweetie?
It's
Adrian, okay.
ADREME.
Okay, where you guys headed?
We going home.
Oh, you guys live here?
No,
we live in Chicago.
Oh, so you're getting on a plane to go home
Yeah,
today?
we
Who is she to you?
That's my cousin.
She's your cousin? Okay.
Yeah, that's her daughter, and that's her daughter right there.
Okay. I'll try and calm her down a little bit. I'm going to go over there and see what's going on, and we'll work it out, all right? Fix yourself. I keep telling you, fix yourself.
Her kids scared of her.
Sure, there you go.
And I mean it. My daughter never dealt with this.
No worries. We'll get to it.
Okay.
Do you have, I gotta get their IDs. Do you guys have your ID on you? Or is it-
With emotions still running hot, officers return to the adults and begin sorting out family relationships. This becomes complicated, with disagreements over whether the parties are actually related by blood or simply connected through extended family ties.
My purse is in the car.
Where's the car?
Did she hit me?
Where's the car? Oh yeah, she told me she hit you. Yeah, she hit you.
Exactly. So she offended me first. I never did nothing to her. She got to go to jail, not pressing charge. She aggressive. My daughter hate on my daughter. The place we had to turn the car in.
Oh, the Avis?
Yes.
Or whatever it is?
And she the reason why we got the car. She drove there, everything.
Where's the car right now? It's parked.
It's there.
It's parked over there?
It's there.
Okay. What?
I will never harm my daughter.
You're fine. Your daughter's fine.
Please don't ever harm my daughter.
Okay, your daughter's fine. Calm down, okay?
I know, but
All right,
please.
baby, you need to calm down.
Please. Just know I love my daughter. I treat you right.
Okay.
I would never do you like that, mommy.
My name is Earl. Nice to meet you, mother. What's
Thank
your name?
you. My name is...
How do we get this whole fighting part?
Right.
Why did she have a bruise? How did she hit you? What's going on here? Let's get to it.
Oh my God, I gotta keep telling the story over.
I know.
Who else?
Okay, well, tell me.
Because y'all gonna look at me because I'm darker than this motherfucker right here who's crazier than Bessie Bugs, and I can call everybody. I swear.
Then how did she get the bruise on her face?
Because I fought back. I defended myself.
Okay.
And asked her son, who was the police at that point, because there weren't no police on there.
Okay,
Yes.
so the van, she got crazy.
I got a bunch of back. Listen, I need an attorney. I don't want to say. So if y'all can arrest me or do it right now. This lady pissed on herself.
So bottom line, I'm gonna ask you a few questions, okay? And that's it.
Okay.
Okay. Disturbance of whatever kind.
I
took
didn't
place.
disturb the peace.
Listen to me.
I wasn't the one.
If you're talking, you're not listening.
So y'all want me to press charges, right?
If you're talking, you're not listening.
Oh my God.
You're not even understanding me, and you're interrupting me. So I'm trying to make sure I have the sequence of events properly, okay? Proper. So
I don't want
you
to
guys,
do nothing. I'm telling you that.
Okay. You guys got here, right? A little argument happened between you and your cousin. Is she really your cousin, or are you guys just friends? And are you gonna talk to me or not?
They're really cousins.
But I don't want to do that. I'm good.
It's just yes or no. Are you?
It's
just
no.
Yes.
You're not. Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. So,
hang with her, please. Come with me.
This distinction matters. Officers step aside to review policy and discuss whether domestic violence guidelines apply, as well as who should be considered the primary aggressor based on statements and observed behavior.
she's saying that her granddad is cousins with someone else in the family. And
Oh my God, I can't even
with,
that.
which can't even articulate the whole.
bloodlines.
Right.
Okay.
So she just said no. She's saying yes.
Okay. But I don't consider that to be a bloodline.
I don't believe it at all either.
Okay.
So I got this here. She's saying, hey, she's gonna stay in sure. So obviously, if she's not going to, she's not going to.
What's that? And they're not living in the household together, are they? No. Okay. So that's good. Got spouses. They don't have a baby in common. So that's good. So the whole bloodline thing, that's kind of far from there. What I would do at this point is that she says that she wasn't pressing any charges. I would give a written declaration of non-prosecution, which can be just this.
And the bottom.
Right here. My signature means I refuse to prosecute people. But she would sign that and do that there. One line, I do not want to prosecute. Don't make it fancy. I don't give it a good look. However, I ask her if she wants to press charges or not. Okay. If she says no, then same thing. Declaration of I'm saying no, that, and that's it. If she says yes, then we'll go from there.
All right. So how about this?
Calm down, Mom.
Also, listen. This is a paper I need you to write.
I'm not signing anything without a lawyer. So I'm going to let my lawyer speak to y'all.
When paperwork is introduced, the woman immediately refuses to sign anything without an attorney present. She repeatedly asserts her right to remain silent and says she doesn't want to incriminate herself further.
I'm not signing though. Is that my right?
No, it's not.
Is that my right? Yes, that is. You know that.
But listen to me.
I don't want to sign it.
Can you please listen
I
for
don't.
the last time?
Can I get a black person with me?
Well, what do you say? Did you tell her this was just a...
I told her and she doesn't want to sign anything.
I don't want to sign it.
Okay, my love, all this is, and it's cool if you don't have to. It's cool.
I don't want to sign
Okay,
it.
let me just explain to you what this. You are allowing us to leave.
I gotta read it. I'm gonna read it on my own.
Right now, it's nothing, my love.
Okay, so what is I'm reading to say you leaving on y'all?
Right here.
I'm not signing it. I'm cool.
Okay,
Can I walk out?
Hold on. No.
As officers continue explaining the process, her frustration intensifies, her voice rises, and she insists she's being treated unfairly, stating again that she was attacked first and only defended herself.
You have green light for that, so let's get the kid after you.
I don't want to solve. I don't want to press charges. I don't want to.
Can you take my hand from me?
I want to go home. Please don't touch my daughter. Please don't touch my daughter.
Despite multiple attempts to calm the situation, the disturbance continues in a public airport setting. Officers ultimately move to take her into custody as the situation fails to de-escalate.
My daughter.
Your baby's fine. Your baby's being very. She's more grown up than you are. Awesome. What did you say? You're getting multiple chances, ma'am.
No, y'all didn't give me no chance.
Let's go to the car, okay?
I ain't even doing that.
The incident concludes with her being charged with resisting arrest, battery, and disorderly conduct, bringing an end to a call that began as a reported altercation and escalated into an arrest amid confusion, heightened emotions, and unresolved family conflict.